Welcome back to Paul's Home Garage. It's Friday, April 28th. The Duramax is ready to go to the Media Blaster today. We have it hooked up to my son's Super Duty. So I have a tow bar on it I borrowed from a friend. Wiring lights. I got the motor removed. Transmission's removed. Every single thing is removed that I could. Pulled the shocks off. Knocked off the majority of the rust with a hammer, a needle scaler, drive shaft's out, everything's out. This cross member right here that goes across there is the front tank support. That was rusted. I had to buy a new one. It gets bolted in. Also, there's a cross member that goes across here. It is the spare tire support cross member. That was also rusted, but Ford doesn't sell it. I had to buy an aftermarket one, custom made one. So that looks nice. We'll see how that comes. So I'm going to have them media blast everything in there because it gets bolted back into there. So I'd rather them blast it and epoxy coat it before I put the parts in. So I'm going to try and talk to the guy that's going to media blast it. Maybe I can get a video of him shooting it. So we'll see. All right. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe as we go along. And there's the box up there. It looks like it should fit. It'll be close. I'll make it fit somehow. And there's the motor inside here. The motor sits back there. Motor and transmission was pulled as one. Very heavy, but it was doable. So it didn't really have to come out, but it would just make it so much easier for him to do a good job media blasting the whole frame to get into everything. So, all right, again, thanks for watching, and stay tuned to see how it comes out. Thanks.